I don't know how to film this video, but I'm very excited. Like I literally cannot stop smiling. But anyways, guess who has her own apartment to herself? Guess, just guess. I wanted to show you guys my new apartment. I recently rented a 1+1 in Istanbul, of course, and I wanted to show you guys like my apartment, what it looks like, in case anyone out there is interested to see what apartments look like in Turkey. I'm so excited, guys. We're just going to go straight to the house tour. This is the entrance of the apartment. So when you come in from the front door, what you see first is the intercom. This is the intercom, how you connect with the security, and then to your left is the kitchen, straight forward is the sitting room, and to your right is the room. This is the kitchen. This is basically what the kitchen is like. One thing I love about the kitchen is the storage space. Like, the storage space is mad. There's one here, there's a storage space here as well, there's one storage space here as well. It's just so much storage. Okay, there's that shelf which I really like. The sink is here, and this apartment comes with a dishwasher. Sorry, one of the reasons I wanted this apartment was because of the dishwasher, so that is great. And then there's more storage space here, and this is just the sink where you put like the bin. This is something new I've not seen in any Turkish apartment before, is the fact that the cooker is in front of the sitting room. Usually the cookers in Turkish houses are here, and then maybe the sink will be here, the cooker will be here. But this is awesome. It's just, I don't know, I really like it. And down here there are more shelves. So like, the storage space is great in the kitchen. So that's what I really love about it. And now for the sitting room. The sitting room is just plain. It's just a simple sitting room. It's quite spacious for a 1+1 because it's quite spacious. So this demarcation there would be my sitting room. Here would be my sitting room. And it comes with air condition, which I really love. There's an extra space here. I don't know, normal people will use it for their dining space, but I think I'm going to use it for my office space. It's just perfect. The sun is here, and it's just like, I really do appreciate the fact that the sun comes in. So I'll probably maybe put a desk there, and I'm going to put my background for my filming here. So that's what I'm pretty much going to do for my filming space. I really do not know how I'm going to decorate it because I'm buying all of my furniture. And I really love the windows. It's like a big view. So that's it for the sitting room and kitchen. Now I'm going to show you this storage. It's not a storage, it's a space for the washing machine. This is what it looks like. It's just there, and I'm going to probably keep my mop and cleaning things here, basically the broom and the mop. And this is what it looks like. This is where the washing machine is going to be. I think I'm also going to use it for storage space. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then opposite the storage or the washing machine is my room door, and then this is the toilet. So I'm going to show you guys my room before I show you guys the toilet. So this is my room. It's quite dark, but I'm going to change the lights to white lights. So this is the room. It's quite spacious. I really do like it. And another thing I love about this house is it has closet space. Okay guys, I think that's one of the reasons I decided to get this apartment, because one, it had closet space and office space, which I needed. If you have not seen my previous room tour, please check it out, because that was just the ghetto. It was the ghetto. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the closet space. It's like a really huge space. I feel it's almost the same size as my current room in my previous apartment, or in my current apartment. So yeah, this is the space. And now I'm going to show you guys the toilet so you guys can see. So when you open the door, right, hi, so there's a mirror. You're basically going to see yourself, obviously, and to your left is the toilet. That's it. And then there's the heater thing. And yeah, I really love this. This is this is one of the things I love about this toilet, the space and the mirror. I love the mirror. And it also has storage space. And then there is more space here, like, and then there's this place where you can hang it all. There's the, oh, I love this. This is my least favorite thing about the toilet, is the shower space is quite small. I know I'm small, I'm slim, you know, whatever, but I don't know, I just feel it's small. Maybe because of my previous apartment, but it's not bad. I'm not complaining, but it's just small. So yes guys, that's pretty much it. I really love this apartment. I look forward to living in it. I look forward to just spending time in my workspace, spending time in my bedroom, in my, like, the bedroom is dark, it's just simple, calm, cool, and I really love that. I know when I'm sleeping, and when I'm in the sitting room, it's just bright, and I love this because when I'm working, I like it being bright because that just gives me more energy. Anyways, I don't know what questions you guys want to ask, but this is a 1+1 apartment. It's in a building complex, so that's great. One of the things I do not like about this apartment is the walls. I wanted white walls so bad, but the landlord said when I paint, if I paint it, when I'm leaving, I have to paint it back to the color I made it, and I'm already spending money. I'm not ready to give myself 2 jobs, okay? I don't know if you guys have any other questions. How I found my house was I went to the MLAC's office around the area I wanted to go to. I wanted to live in, so I went there and I asked them for this particular apartment if they had any free. I'm just so excited because this is the first time I'm in it alone, so I'm like absorbing everything. Like, I have a house for real, guys. I have my own apartment. So yes guys, that's it for my apartment. I really love this apartment. I really do like it. I just do not like the wall colors, but I'm pretty sure I'll get used to it because there are so many things I could compromise to get white walls, but I don't want to do that. That's it guys, that's it. But I'm just thankful to God and thankful to you guys for watching me, of course, and all of that, because this would have not been possible if not for God. Let me know if you guys want me to give you links to where I order things from and show you guys where I'm getting like my furnitures and stuff. And if you have decorating ideas, please let me know, because I am a very indecisive person. I just had a war or like a mini fight with the people I'm getting my bed from because of my indecisiveness. Sorry for another day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below. Do you like the apartment? Even if you don't, I like it. Like, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? I don't know if I'm going to upload this video, but if you guys see this video, thank you for watching. Bye guys. Hi guys. I honestly don't know how to do this thing. I didn't plan how I was going to start this video.